Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. It's been a long time, but we're gonna do two different NASCAR Authentics diecast, one from Wave 9 and one from Wave 10, and they are Austin Dillion and Martin Truex Jr.'s Bass Pro Shops Club Next Gen cars. So Martin Truex Jr. is from Wave 9 and Austin Dillion is from Wave 10. On the back, you can get the cars from their exclusive waves. Like for Martin Truex Jr., you can get Kimi Räikkönen, Zane Smith, Justin Allgaier, Eric Jones, Hailie Deegan. And on Austin Dillon's package, you got, Daniel Suarez's Pitbull car, Justin Haley, AJ Allmendinger, and be on the lookout for the chase pieces in these waves too. So both of these cars race for different teams, but have the same sponsorship. And let's dive right into these cars. But first, I'll be right back. As soon as I get these cars out of the box, we're gonna review them. Okay, so now we got both cars out of the box. And of course, there are no stickers because, somewhere during Wave 7, I think, now that I know, is that they do not do, is that NASCAR Authentics, I know, does not do stickers anymore. So first up, we're gonna start with Austin Dillon's car. So pretty much you got a simple, you got a black hood with an orange fender. And what's interesting off to the sides here, you start out with the black and then you go off with this camo on top and on the sides here nearing the end. Some two orange lines, an orange number 3 on top with the white number 3 off to the side. You can see the little 75th anniversary logo, the Bass Pro Shops logo, the Tracker Off-Road off to the side, in which it can be something else. It could be something else that is available in Bass Pro Shops. And what's new to Bass Pro Shops is that you got the Bass Pro Shops, Johnny Morris's Bass Pro Shops Club, which is like a special, I think Bass Pro Shops does this special, if you shop there a lot, you get exclusive deals at Bass Pro Shops. So after putting down Austin Dillon's car, it's pretty good. Now let's take a look at Martin Truex Jr.'s car. Obviously, it's a lot different. It has more silver gray with the camo-like silver. And then up to the sides here, you got some silver and orange with some yellow. Not a lot of black because mostly gray camo-ish color. And on the hood, it's a silver with an orange 19, which is in the Daytona 500 is a redesign because it was originally the black 19 before changing it to a silver with an orange 19. But you got Cabela's. And you got Tracker off boats and ATVs off to the side. The Bass Pro Shops Club logo, which is the same thing, the Johnny Morris Bass Pro Shops Club. The same thing as the Austin Dillon's, except this time on the side, you also got the same Bass Pro Shops Club, whereas on Austin Dillon's, it's just Bass Pro Shop. And also on the side, you got Austin Dillon's as Bass Pro Shops Tracker Off-Road. So obviously both cars who represent the same sponsorship, but with different things to sell. Also on Austin Dillon's, I forgot to mention, is the True Timber Camo, which is what his paint scheme is. Obviously both are great, but I have to say that I think maybe Austin's is a little better with the black coloration and with the camo darkness compared to Martin Truex Jr.'s. But overall, both are really great cars. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.